Hello friends, my name is ChinEtti. I have been trading for over 10 years now and I specialize in day trading, swing trading and scalping. I am a professional programmer and I have built many profitable forex trading systems over the years, and today I am going to show you my latest forex system called the ChinEtti Pip Collector. This is one of the most profitable forex trading systems that I have built, which carries more than 90% win rate. It's super easy to use and produces highly authentic and accurate signals where you can collect more pips, means more money. ChinEtti Pip Collector is a momentum trend following system. That basically means we are mainly trading with the trend, hoping to collect 25 to 50 pips from the market. If the trend is strong, you can ride that trend and even collect more than 100 pips on a single trade. This system detects strong momentum swings in the market and will give you multiple trading opportunities during the day. It works with any currency pair and best to use with 30 minutes and higher time frames. Some customers inform me that they got good results even trading on the lower time frames as well. It purely depends on your trading style and flexibility. I will show you backtesting results later in this video for major currency pairs so you can see how accurate this system is. If you want to go out and try this system, I have given the link below in the description where you can get it. Currently, I am offering this at a discounted price, so feel free to grab this offer while it's there. Okay, let's deep dive and see how the ChinEtti Pip Collector works. Firstly, I'll show you how to install the indicators and set up the system in your MetaTrader 4 platform. It's very easy and only takes 2 minutes. So as you can see on my screen, I'm using my IC Markets demo trading account and I have opened a fresh trading chart. Once you download the system, you will get a zip file and you need to unzip that file first. Then you will see the ChinEtti Pip Collector folder. Inside that folder, you will see the indicators folder, template folder and the user guide. Go to the indicators folder and you will see the 4 indicators: the arrow indicator, candles indicator, market info and the trend direction. All these 4 indicators are non-repainting indicators coded by myself. To install the indicators, you need to copy these indicators and go to File, Open Data folder, go to the MQL4 folder, go to the indicators folder and paste it here. To install the template, go to the template folder and go to the template folder in the ChinEtti Pip Collector folder, copy the template and paste it here. Then close and restart your MT4 platform. Once you restart your MT4, go ahead and open the ChinEtti Pip Collector template. Then your chart will look like this. The arrows indicator gives buy and sell signals, which indicates by these green and orange arrows. These signals are potential trading opportunities, but we do not purely open a trade based on these signals. I'll explain you the reason in a little while. The trend direction indicator shows the current market trend. An uptrend is shown by the green color and the downtrend is shown by the orange color. The market info indicator shows import information like the currency price, spread, daily high and low, candle closing time, etc. Okay, having identified all the indicators, let's see how to enter a trade with ChinEtti Pip Collector. It's very simple. For a buy trade, a green arrow should appear on your chart. The candle color should be white. The trend direction line must be green. If all these 3 rules are satisfied, we enter into a buy trade. So in this case, this signal is a valid buy trade. For a sell trade, an orange arrow should appear. The candle color should be red. The trend direction line must be orange. If all these 3 rules are again satisfied, we enter into a sell trade. So in this scenario, this signal is a valid sell trade. Suppose you get only 2 indications. For example, here you get a green arrow which is a buy signal. The candle color is white, but the trend direction line is orange. So in this case, we don't enter to a trade because all three criteria are not matching. So ideally, the trend direction line should have been green. There are two possible ways to exit the trade. Option 1. You can wait for the next opposite signal and exit the trade. For example, if you enter to a buy trade here, then you can exit the trade with the opposite sell signal right here. Option 2. You can wait for the trend direction line to change and exit the trade. Taking the same example, if you enter to a buy trade right here with this buy signal, then you can exit the trade when the trend direction line changes to orange. That means somewhere here. I personally trade with option 2 because it cuts down the market noise and allows to ride the current trend in the market and collect more pips. There is an email alert in the trend direction indicator which you can activate. With that, when the trend changes, you will get an email alert so you can easily exit the trade. So let me show you an example why I prefer option 2 as the exit strategy. So if we enter to sell trade here, with option 1 exit strategy, we will probably exit the trade with this buy signal. So that will be closer to 100 pips. But if we go with option 2, we will be continuing the trade and will exit when the trend direction line changes. So as you can see, we are currently in a downtrend and the trend is still continuing downwards. So if we calculate the profit up to now, we have closer to 200 pips. Okay, I have explained to you how the ChinEtti Pip Collector works. I really like this system not only because it's super easy to use, but more importantly, it has helped me to earn consistent profits without taking many risks. You can also grab this system and start making money today. I am offering this now at a discounted price for a limited time. The link is given below in the description where you can get it, so feel free to check out. Great. Now I will show you some backtesting results with this system. Let's start with USD CHF currency pair. So as you can see, this system produces very clear signals. So for example, here, if you enter to a sell trade right here, given all three criteria are matching, you can easily collect closer to 25 pips from this trade. So if we go back, you can see if we enter to a buy trade here, you can easily collect closer to 50 pips from this trade. Let's take another currency pair, GBP USD. So here you can see a huge strong downtrend market, and this system is giving multiple signals where you can enter to this trade and ride this trend. So even you miss the first signal, then you will be still getting more signals and still you can enter to a trade and achieve maximum profits. So for example, here if you enter to a trade with this sell signal, we are looking closer to 180 pips from this trade. Similarly, if you enter with this buy signal, we are talking about closer to 110 pips with this trade. Let's take USD JPY. So here as you can see, there's a huge downtrend market and it gives multiple valid signals. So if you enter to a sell trade here, that will earn you closer to 140 pips from this sell trade. That's why this system is really great, because it gives you a clear trend indication of the market and it identify the momentum movements in the market and gives accurate signals. For example, if you take this buy trade right here, if you enter to this buy trade, then you can actually ride that trend and collect closer to 200 pips from this trade. So let's take a look at AUD USD. Again, you can see there's a huge upward trend. So if you enter to a buy trade right here, you can earn closer to 110 pips from this buy trade. So similarly, you can see there are multiple signals that you receive where you can enter to profitable trades and earn more pips. Let's take Euro GBP. So again, you can see there's a huge downtrend market, and you will get multiple valid signals to enter to this market. So even if you miss this sell trade, you can still enter to a market with this sell trade and go short. Let's take another one more pair. So this is Euro AUD. So as you can see, the trend line shows the downward market, and again you can see multiple sell signals, and here you can see multiple buy signals. So the signals produced from this system are very accurate. The trend direction line filters out the false signals in the market, which gives extra confirmation that we are trading in the right direction. So that concludes my today's session. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will answer them. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you with another trading system very soon. Goodbye.